Ladies and gentlemen, we are recording. This is the Super Science Super Skylar show or something.
I am.
And we are doing a follow-up video to a video that's went viral on YouTube about great value from Walmart ice cream sandwiches that do not melt. I believe in the experiment video they left it out for a few hours. The ice cream sandwiches did not melt, but they began to emit a clear liquid after several hours in the hot sun. Just how can an ice cream exist and not melt?
It's not really ice cream. It's like 12% ice cream.
But what is in this that would cause...
Well, it's the carabine gum, the cellulose gum, and the... What's the other one? The guar gum.
We were looking up what some of those gums are also used for, and we found used in insecticides, used in...
Shoe polish.
Shoe polish? That was the last one we looked up. What was that?
That was the carabine.
The carabine gum. So we're going to do the natural follow-up experiment, which is trying to see what will melt one of these things. And we got one on a plate here. How hot would you say it is outside where we're going to put this?
In the sun. It says it's 111.5 degrees Fahrenheit. But I don't know if it is. Probably above 100 degrees Fahrenheit.
It's 1:35 outside, and we're going to leave this ice cream sandwich out here. Check back on in a half hour. Skylar is ready to burn, and the first experiment we're going to do is a little kind of torchlighter thing going on here. We got fire.
Oh, jumping, Jesus. Okay.
So let's see what happens, because I predict this stuff will explode into flames. The reason we are starting off with a microwave straight away is because I'm worried about some of the chemicals that are in this.
They're not like really dangerous chemicals, it's just...
Not stuff that should be in your body, either way.
And it's burning! It is burn. That is crazy.
It's burning, ladies and gentlemen. Turn the light off for a second. So we have black ice cream.
That's really cool.
I told you this would
Can we do that with regular ice cream? This is going to be weird. Okay.
Alright, so here's what happens to Stewart's ice cream.
It just melts.
By Jesus, Stewart's ice cream melts.
Nope. There's like, I mean, there's chocolate.
The chocolate burned a little bit.
But not the ice cream.
But nowhere near what we got going on. Let's go back to the ice cream sandwich for a second.
Oh, I gotta turn the heat up. Okay, here we go.
Oh! Oh, sweet baby Jesus. Oh! It's turning black.
What the? Jumping,
You ate this.
So cool.
It ain't melted. There is a liquid underneath it.
Should we be doing this outside?
Yes. It does have that marshmallow smell, which I find interesting.
Probably the sugar.
Yeah.
I would imagine the sugar burns. I mean, in the ice cream, but I would think it would burn in the other one too. If that's what it is.
The thing that I find most interesting about this whole thing is something you were talking to me about, which is that the state of matter, nothing, I don't think naturally wants to stay in an ice cream state, because most things either want to, you know, exist in a gas state or a liquid state or a solid state, not in an in-between kind of
plasma.
But apparently, that's what we have going on here. We're out here after 15 minutes of our outside one, and very, very little melting has occurred. It doesn't quite feel like ice cream. It doesn't have that consistency to it. I like the pooled yellow liquid around it.
Oh, that's yummy.
So, we're inside, and the regular ice cream has just completely melted. And outside, the ice cream bar is going strong.
Well, pretty strong.
It's a lot cooler in here than it is out there.
But it's still got this kind of a thing where this is like soupy.
Oh!
How's it taste?
It has the consistency of melted Cool Whip. I don't know if you've ever had like a Cool Whip that's been out too long. No. You know, not the canned kind, but Cool Whip from the tub. It kind of coats your mouth in the way... Oh, I know what that feeling is. It's got a mouth coating thing that's not a cream or a milk. It's meant to emulate cream or milk. But it tastes like artificial creamer. Like, not the powdered kind, the liquid, if you buy some I think it's International Delight or whatever the brands are. That has sort of a oily, kind of coat your mouth with a flavor thing. Okay, so we're doing a comparison. We have a piece of Stewart's Maple Walnut Ice Cream, a little piece, and a little piece of our Great Value Sandwich. $3 for 12 of them.
Little piece of heaven.
A little piece of something.
Whatever.
And we're going to see the melting points in the microwave.
I'm your ice cream man, stop me when I'm passing by. On my mind.
Alright, after 10 seconds, this ice cream is melting. This ice cream is a little softer on the edge, but it's always a little softer on the edge. It's soft when you take it out of the freezer.
I'm your ice cream man, stop me when I'm passing by.
Alright, after 10 more seconds. So I guess it has a point where it goes and turns to liquid.
Cool.
Let's test that on the whole rest of the bar.
See, now all my flavors are guaranteed to satisfy. Hold on a second, baby.
We're at 40, right? Yeah. 40 seconds. It has severely bubbled.
Okay, that's normal.
And there's a smell in there.
It smells like cream, kind of.
Nah, not cream.
Not cream?
Not cream.
No, you're right. Stale something.
It kind of smells good, I'm not gonna lie. It smells a bit like a candle. Like a vanilla candle.
It does smell like a candle.
It does smell good. I'm actually gonna give it the credit it deserves. It smells good.
I don't think it smells good, but it smells like a candle.
Alright, now after 30 minutes outside, the ice cream bar is just fine. So we're gonna put a scoop of regular ice cream next to it to see what happens. You can see it's already melting, so let's check in on that in maybe 5-10 minutes.
Nope.
Alright, so I'm going to do the first, well, Skylar's already chowing down on his, but I'm going to do the taste test.
It's actually not bad.
Okay, first impression is most of the stuff I already said about the melted part when I ate it, is that it has this oily texture of artificial creamer, or flavored creamer that kind of coats your mouth and you can taste on the tongue, especially on the roof of your mouth. It's not particularly sweet. It's not sweet like an ice cream. It reminds me more of Cool Whip than anything. Which
it does.
Cool Whip is made out of oil and corn syrup, not sugar and cream.
It tastes just like Cool Whip. Weird. And that cookie is horrendous.
6 minutes in the sunlight. There's still some solidness to the real ice cream. This one has started emitting the liquid. I've been waiting for this. We need something to poke that liquid with. Because that is clear. It's clearish brown. It's not ice cream. Alright, so we're now poking the brown clear liquid.
It's completely liquid.
Yes. But it's clear, is what I find interesting.
I'm going to do something stupid.
Skylar Brewer. I'll do something stupid.
It has no taste.
Alright, here's my clearish liquid. No, that has a taste. Get some real amount. That is the chemical.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
I didn't taste that in the ice cream bar.
Oh.
Try to describe that. I can't describe it.
It's kind of sweet.
It's sweet, but it's got like a gasoline taste to it.
It does have a gasoline.
Okay, now this is the key of the experiment. Guys, take one of these out and let it melt, and then try the liquid around it. It's like a gasoline, kerosene kind of thing going. Alright, let's let it sit for a while. Just about fully melted there after being out for 15 minutes. And after 45 minutes, we have the brown clear liquid. And it's just... Boop.
Science, more or less.
Skylar, come poke this.
Is it warm?
Poke that one down. It's very warm, but it stays...
Oh, it is. Wow.
Can you get your shadow out of the shot?
No.
Stand on the other side.
No.
Alright.
No.
Poke the other one down, I guess. Because it has a very weird consistency. It's fun.
It is fun.
So, it retains its shape even though it's melted. That's what I find interesting.
And then it's like this dark brown and then this light.
Yeah, let's see if I can get those two colors there. Do you want to set this on fire or are we good?
Nah, I think it's...
Stay frosty.